Hello and welcome to Specialist Officer. My name is Ankit Pandey and this lecture is based on Kaun Banega Marketing Officer. In this video, we are going to discuss about those questions which were asked in the latest IBPS Marketing Officer main exam which was held in 2019. These are some memory-based questions of the exam held on January 2019. First question is, when a company acquires a supplier through an acquisition strategy, this is referred to as dash, backward integration, forward integration, vertical marketing system, horizontal integration, none of these. The correct answer is backward integration because a company is into manufacturing process, but if it goes to distribution side, then it will be called as forward integration or downstream marketing activity. But when company moves backward, when it goes to supplier side, it supplies raw material to itself, then it is called as backward integration or upstream. So I taught you upstream marketing activities are those which are conducted before the manufacturing of product. Next question is, what is the statement of the organization's purpose? Mission statement, organizational intent, organizational perspective, all of these, none of these. So I taught you what the organization is currently doing is always mentioned in mission statement. So you can go through my video of strategic planning in which I have explained you in detail about vision and mission both. Corporate strategy is dash, the implementation of plans to achieve long-term aims decided by functional marketing strategy, the framework for functional marketing strategy, more specific and practical than marketing strategy, reactive to short-term competitive activities. Such lengthy questions are asked in the exams, but you have to maintain the speed because you have to go through all the 60 questions. So corporate strategy is made by top-level business management of the company, so it is not for short-term. More specific and practical than marketing strategy means there is no synchronization between your strategy and marketing strategy, so this also does not happen in the company. The framework for functional marketing strategy, corporate strategy has nothing to do with functional marketing strategy. They make a strategy of a plan, and on the basis of that plan, you have to develop your marketing strategies as a business unit. Decided by functional marketing strategy? No. The implementation of plans to achieve long-term aims. This is the best answer or the best option you can select. So correct answer is first. Which of the following statements are not true about market challengers? They carry out flanking activities, they have a stake in the status quo, they often direct their competitive activity at smaller firms, they tend to use penetration pricing strategies as a way of expanding their existing markets both 1 and 2. So you know all about attacks and defensive strategies. So flanking attack is always made by a market challenger, so this is true. They have a stake in the status quo. This is not a relevant option. Status quo means what is happening in current time. They have stake in that. This is not a very relevant option. This status quo is just to make you confused. This Latin word is given here. So this is not true about market challenger. They often direct their competitive activity at smaller firms. Yes, very true. And they tend to use market penetration pricing strategies as a way of expanding their existing market. Yes, they always keep challenging the leader of the market. West Coast fish, a situation based question is this. West Coast fish have no formal organization for marketing where this would be stated in its marketing plan. Financial controls, SWOT analysis, marketing strategy, executive summary, none of these. So this could be eliminated easily, not in executive summary. These two options can confuse you. But the right answer is SWOT analysis. You don't have a formal organization for marketing your products. That is your weakness. So in marketing planning process, if you go through my video, there is a step, firm's appraisal, in which we use SWOT analysis, BCG matrix, General Electric matrix and soft matrix to analyze our firm. So this step will come there. Again, I am saying that marketing strategy is a broader term. It is not only specific to make organization marketing plan or any formal organization for marketing. Marketing strategy includes much more than this. So you have to select the very specific option. The ACME Company sets its marketing budget by estimating the market leaders' marketing spends. This approach to setting a budget is called percentage of sales method, marginal approach method, comparative parity method, objective and task method. So this is the correct answer, comparative parity method, in which what the competitor is doing in the industry, you have to scan that and accordingly you have to decide your marketing budget, what competitor can spend. So this is the correct option. Seventh question, to develop its market segments, West Coast Fish planned sales visits to the top 25 hotels and restaurants in Ireland. Where would this appear in marketing plan? Critical issues, marketing strategies, action plans, executive summary, objectives. Correct answer is action plan. This example is talking about execution of something. So you are not preparing strategies here. You have already planned with what you want to do. Now you are on execution. So this is called as action plan. If you go through my video on marketing planning and process, you will get to know there is a step, designing marketing programs. So this is one of them. XYZ Company sets its advertising budget by only spending up to the point where any further spending would not generate enough extra business to justify the outlay. Which approach is it using to setting the budget? Marginal approach, comparative parity method, objective and task method, all you can afford method, none of these. So advertising budget जब हम discuss कर रहे थे तो I taught you about 4 approaches. Affordability method, percentage of sales method, comparative method and objective and task method. I have not taught you about marginal approach. But if here they are asking any question, then you must know that I have told you a concept of marginal cost, in which the cost beared by the company for producing extra unit. ओके एक फिक्स आउटपुट होने के बाद अगर आप एक एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट भी अगर प्रोड्यूस करते तो उसके लिए जो भी कॉस्ट कंपनी इनकर करती दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. सो ये क्वेश्चन रिजेंबल कर रहा है उसी कंसेप्ट के साथ. सो यहाँ पर आप लॉजिक लगा सकते हैं कि द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी मार्जिनल अप्रोच. यहाँ मार्जिनल वर्ड के बारे में तो मैंने आपको पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी है. सो इवन इफ यू हैव नॉट स्टडीड एनीथिंग तो घबराना नहीं कि अरे मार्जिनल अप्रोच मेथड तो एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं, हमने तो पढ़ा ही नहीं, तो नन ऑफ दीज पे टिक करके आ जाओगे. तो ऐसा नहीं करना है वहां पे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फीचर्स इज ट्रू अबाउट द रिटेल स्ट्रेटेजी मिक्स अडॉप्टेड बाय अ डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर? लेस एक्सपेंसिव रेंटल लोकेशन, लोअर लेवल ऑफ पेडेस्ट्रियन ट्रैफिक, promotional emphasis on full service, quality brands and store image, more reliance on self-service, plain displays with piles of merchandise, less availability of credit, year-round use of low prices. So yes, there is credit service available there. Low prices पूरे साल भर नहीं रहते. सेल्फ सर्विसेज डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर में जनरली देखने को नहीं मिलती है. एंड दे आर नॉट लेस एक्सपेंसिव एंड लो लेवल ऑफ पेडेस्ट्रियन ट्रैफिक. वहाँ पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पेडेस्ट्रियन ट्रैफिक होता है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट एप्लीकेबल. दिस इज वेरी रिलेवेंट आंसर. प्रमोशनल एम्फेसिस ऑन फुल सर्विस, क्वालिटी ब्रांड्स हमेशा वहाँ पे देखने को मिलेंगे, एंड स्टोर इमेज. डैश आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द बेस्ट डील फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट. फीचर्स शॉपर्स, ब्रांड लॉयल कस्टमर्स, प्राइस शॉपर्स, कन्वीनियंस शॉपर्स, स्टेटस सीकर्स. ये थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चन हो सकता है आपके लिए. जिनको पता है उनके लिए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू देम. बट बेसिकली बेस्ट डील का मतलब क्या होता है? जब आपको बहुत कुछ मिल रहा है कम से कम प्राइस में, वी कैन से कम में बम, तो वो जब मिलता है तब हम बोलते हैं कि बेस्ट डील हो गई है हमारी. तो ऑलवेज इट इज एसोसिएटेड विथ प्राइस, नॉट स्टेटस सीकर. स्टेटस सीकर्स तो महंगे से महंगा प्राइस दे के प्रोडक्ट खरीदेंगे, भले ही उसका क्वालिटी कैसा भी हो, लेकिन उनका स्टेटस वहाँ पे गिरना नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए वो हाई प्राइस भी पे करेंगे फॉर अ लो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट. कन्वीनियंस शॉपर्स बेस्ट डील में कभी नहीं पड़ते हैं, क्योंकि वो ग्रॉसरी आइटम्स खरीद रहे हैं या डेयरी आइटम्स खरीद रहे हैं, फूड और नॉन फूड, सेमी फूड, तो वैसे भी वो बेस्ट डील तो वहाँ पे हमेशा ही हो जाती है, बिकॉज दे आर लो कॉस्ट आइटम्स. प्राइस शॉपर्स, हमेशा बेस्ट डील इज ऑलवेज रिलेटेड टू प्राइस शॉपर्स. So this is the correct answer. Brand loyal customers will always buy the product of their favorite brands irrespective of the price. Features वाले product के features पे functions पे ध्यान देंगे, so they will also not consider this best deal वाला factor. So it is always associated with price shoppers.